Good morning, everyone. Has everyone joined and all ready for the exam? एग्जाम के लिए सब रेडी हो? Okay. I think Amit is ready. Not sure about others. I'm just sharing the paper. Okay, seems like everyone is ready. Okay, so everyone has their Jupyter or Colab ready, right? Great. So how you have to do and how you have to pass me notebooks, I'll just quickly explain. Okay, just give me a second. Jupyter not anything works. Jupyter, Colab. Can you guys see my screen? Quick yes, no. Okay. So there are 10 questions. Okay. And time is 1 hour. Okay. How you need to do this in your notebook is firstly, all the notebooks should be uploaded out here. So I'll just tell you the name also. Okay, go into this folder and just drop in your files. Okay, just have everyone, the name of the file should be your name. Okay, and Python exam written. Okay, that should be the name of your Jupyter notebooks that you upload out here. Okay, now for each of these questions, there are multiple ways to do it. Okay, and let's say for something you want to take some assumptions, so just mention it when you are doing it. Okay, and also when you are doing it, I'll just tell you the format also. So firstly, if it helps you, copy your questions also. Okay, if not, that's also fine. I mean, what I meant is that what you can do is, if you can copy this, fine. Okay, like if you open in Adobe or something, you will be able to copy. Else, just write the question number and then start the solution. Okay, so here you have to write solution number 1 as a markdown. Okay, and then start writing code here. Okay, then again you have to create a markdown for second thing, which is, let's say, solution number 2. Okay, like this. Okay, everyone is fine with the format and everything, right? This helps me check the code. Okay, and what I also evaluate is on this particular thing, which is executed and how many seconds, so how efficient is code. We will discuss this once I get your mark sheets. Okay, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Just to also show you some questions. Okay, so whenever some things are given it to you, okay, like let's say you have to use this list, so you might have to copy it. So better if you have Word or I mean um Adobe or something to read. Okay, so at times, let's say I'm copying this list, so this will help you speed up. Okay, I already have this positive, negative. I don't have to write everything. Okay, so don't make mistakes in at least copying this thing, because then results might come different. Okay, so let's say if we have to do something on this. Okay, rest is straightforward. Okay, एक बार quickly देख लेते हैं क्या है. So given below a list of personas and also a list of comments provided, segregate the comment. Okay, just you should be able to do. Okay, just to give you an explanation, you have to tell whether something is positive or negative. Okay, based on these things. Okay, so for example, there's a word called worst out here, and this comment is worst. So you have to tell what is worst, what is not. Okay. I hope everyone is seeing it, because I'll quickly cover and then you don't get any kind of support from me. And आपस में मत करना, be truthful guys. Okay. So simply what you need to do is check for these words in these comments. If you find it's a positive, if not, it's a negative. Okay. Create a dictionary containing 3 lambda functions, square, cube. Okay. This is, I think you can easily do square, cube and all. Okay. Make sure you take an input from user and then add the output and print it also. Okay. So for each thing, be sure that you are doing everything. Okay. So for example, when I'm saying segregating, so I segregate and then print also which of these comments are positive, which are negative. Okay. Just to give you another one more example, just say we have a word named awesome and positive, and he is an awesome player. Okay. So you have to print, okay, he is an awesome player is a positive comment. Okay. So easy, take care. Just use something called in keyword. Okay, you should be fine. In, not in, if you remember. Find the fruit and they are sour in taste, given a tuple below. Okay, and, so what you need to do here is find which all are sour. Okay, so they have given a sample input output. Just write a function which does this, or if not a function, simple thing. Okay. Given a list over, find the words from word their second character. I think this you should be able to do. Okay. Second character should be upper. Everything else should be as it is. Okay. So basically, these two are upper. So you have to check if it's upper or not. Okay. And how will you do that? So you remember we checked for upper values is not equal to the lower values. Same thing, right? Okay, this you will be able to do fetch words which are the first. This is same as the above one. Map we have already done. This since you know. Okay, so search about this function in case since we haven't covered it, but you can search it on Google. It's very similar to. In case you don't want to use accumulate, there are other ways to do also. Okay, but then the way we do cumulative sum, Similarly, you can do cumulative average. Then convert this to uppercase. This also you will do. Here you will have to use date time. Okay, either use date time or else see the string. You should be able to extract the last part. See something regarding to split. Okay. Okay. So enough of hints and even enough of everything. Okay. So I'll share the paper now. And any person who does provide me more than one solution to same question, okay, will get some bonus points. Okay. For example, let's say we did this in one particular way, and then you suggest me one way should be correct, obviously. Then the second way you suggest can is more optimized or less number of lines, whatever. If you give this, good. Okay. But firstly, एक method से ही करना because you will be evaluated on only one method. It's not like you can give me 10 different methods and then I have to check which of them is correct. ठीक है? Cool. So let's start it off. Okay. So just everyone started off. It's 10:21. Okay. We'll take it till 11:30. Okay. So cool. Just remember this particular format that you need to do. By 11:35, I should have notebooks from everyone. Okay. अच्छा, okay. I'll rename this file for you. Python, Java.
सर
Yeah.
सही, मेरा बाय डिफॉल्ट जेसन ही हो रहा है.
How are you downloading?
ओके, सेव करने के बाद आई एम गोइंग टू फाइल, डाउनलोड एज, and then clicking on notebook IPYNB.
Okay.
ठीक है.
You click, you get the save file notation.
I'm not getting this dialog box. It's automatically getting
अच्छा,
saved to my
हाँ
download folder.
हाँ, वो that's fine. वो तो अलग अलग browser है. And
हाँ
wherever
ठीक है.
if you open this file, it should be something like this. Wherever it is saved, एक बार just जाके try to open it. Or else share your screen. I can probably see what is going wrong.
Okay, okay, just give me a second. So can I share it now?
Do you have access?
Yes, it's showing that you cannot share the screen while the others participants is
Okay.
sharing.
Can you try now? I have changed the permission.
Okay. So can you see it?
Just a second.
So I'm using Mac वैसे.
The, I can see you have shared something. Just a second. I have to bring it somewhere. Yes, okay, now I can see. Yeah. So, अच्छा, use Safari क्या? Safari you should not use. Okay, that's fine. So we have clicked on. Just click on file. Download as IPYNB. Okay. Go to your file manager. Yeah, find that. So all this is okay. Getting as Jason. Okay, there's one more way. Go to your notebook once. Where is this notebook saved originally? Do you have any idea?
No, I
Okay,
can.
create a new cell. I'll tell you how you can find out. At the end, probably, just create a new cell. Write import OS. Oh, not import OS. Just do a exclamation sign.
Sorry.
Exclamation. And write PWD.
PWD.
Just run this. So it's in user section folder. Okay. So can you go to this particular folder? Go to Finder.
No.
Go to Go on the top left. Top left. Top.
The top left.
और ऊपर जाओ. यहाँ पे विंडो लिखा है ना, और ऊपर कर्सर और ऊपर लेके जाओ.
Sorry.
इसमें जाओ. इसमें you have to go to folder.
Folder.
नीचे वाला. Go to folder. Okay. यहाँ पे पाथ लिखो /user सक्षित. कॉपी कर लो वहां से नोटबुक से. मैक में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होता है. Since I've used Mac, so I know it.
Okay.
So here you should have your notebook here. Python 3 example.ipynb. here ना बीच में OPT के बाद ये देखो राइट में OPT के. ठीक है, ऐसे ओपन मत करो, कैंसिल करोगे, यहाँ से कॉपी कर लो, कंट्रोल
बात करना है, क्या करना है?
कमांड सी से कॉपी करके डेस्कटॉप पे रख लो, ठीक है, जस्ट फॉर योर, यहीं पे डेस्कटॉप पे कॉपी कर लो इधर से, चलो ऐसे कर लो, ऐसे पेस्ट आइटम कर लो सो दैट यू कैन अपलोड।
तो कमांड
कमांड वो अपनी कमांड सी कमांड भी
हाँ
कंट्रोल।
हाँ, कर दी।
अच्छा, अब ड्राइव पे जाओ एंड इंस्टॉल क्रोम। क्रोम को ना डिफॉल्ट ब्राउजर बना दो, या फिर उसमें ना लोकल होस्ट से ओपन कर लिया करो।
ठीक है, ओके सर।
यहाँ पे अब फोल्डर पे जाओ, ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप से कर लो, और एल्स क्लिक न्यू, मर्जी है तुम्हारी, न्यू पे जाओ,
अब
अपलोड फाइल्स।
फाइल अपलोड।
हाँ, तुमने डेस्कटॉप पे रख दिया तो डेस्कटॉप पे आ जाएगा। हम्म, इसको रीनेम कर लो,
ओके
ठीक है, ये तो यहीं से हो जाएगा, ठीक है,
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सर।
ओके ओके, व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? I can see how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think all of you have submitted, right? ठीक है, बस रुपिका, चेंज योर नेमिंग कन्वेंशन,
ओके।
as I haven't received for you yet. What is the issue you are getting? रुपिका, rename करके एक बार just confirm me whenever you do. So those who have submitted can drop off. Okay, Faz, you need to give me the .ipynb. I'm waiting for it. Deepika done. Faz, I am not able to get yours. Faz is there or not? Faz is not there. Okay. Can anyone of you tell Faz to and help him just upload the notebook? Or has he already done? No, he has uploaded it. So anyone who is in kind of contact with Faz? Anyone of you? Okay, guys, I'll wait for Faz. If one of you can just ping him, that would be great. And then let's end this session and meet tomorrow. We'll discuss about Python solutions probably in a day or two. Okay. And I'll also let you know the marking scheme. Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks, everyone. I hope test was good. And I think a lot of it was already covered. I think apart from accumulate function is one. Rest I could see everything being there. But yeah, that's something you will have to look out from Google and would have done. But yeah, it's easy kind of thing only. Okay, then everyone, let's end this session. Okay. And meet tomorrow. We'll start with stats class tomorrow. Bye, everyone.